Amanda, Amanda. Mmm. Mmm. Are you eating dinner, huh? Yes, you're eating dinner. Amanda likes chicken. She's eating cold chicken right now. Amanda. Mmm. She calls grapes. Mmm. She likes grapes. Want some grapes, Amanda? Hmm? Grapes? Mm-hmm. Show us your balloon. Where'd your balloon go? Where'd your balloon go? Amanda, where's your balloon, huh? Here's your balloon with the feet on it, huh? There it is. It's got feet on it, doesn't it? Mmm. Patty cake, a baker, man. Take me a cake as fast as you can. In a minute. And here's Amanda.